Hello and welcome to our video on how to collaborate with System Surveyor. As a digital site survey and system design platform, we provide several ways to securely invite and engage with your team, customers, partners, and subcontractors. We'll cover 3 ways to collaborate and share system designs. Please note that some of these features will depend upon your plan, so please check out our plans and pricing page for additional details. The 3 primary methods of collaboration are to send a link to view a design, invite a team member to collaborate, or invite a guest user. The simplest way to collaborate is to send a link to your contact from the survey. To do this, click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the survey and select Send a Link. Enter the contact's email address and set the link's expiration date. You can also include a message for your contact here. Once finished, click Send. Your contact will then receive an email to open the link with read-only access. They will not need a System Surveyor license to view the survey. You can also share a survey at the site level. To do this, navigate to the survey tile, click on the 3 dots, and select Send a Link from the menu that appears. The next 2 methods of collaboration are the most powerful. Rather than emailing a PDF where so much depth can get lost, you can invite your team members or guest users to sites and surveys for fuller access. These users will be able to see photos, attributes, zoom in, and have a more robust collaboration based on the secure access level that you provide. Let's start with team members. Team members are users that occupy the paid licenses on your account, which are also referred to as seats. A seat will need to be purchased for each team member you add to your account. Team members have access to all sites and surveys on the team they are invited to, with additional account access available depending on the roles they are assigned. To invite a new team member, navigate to the site list and click on your user in the upper left corner. Then, select Manage Teams. Select the Invite button under the Users tab, enter the team member's email address, and assign their role. Click on View Role Descriptions for more information on the permission levels associated with each role. Once finished, click Invite. You can also modify team permissions across your team. To do this, navigate back to your workbench and select a site. Then, click on the pencil icon next to Team Permissions on the left sidebar. This access may depend on your plan with System Surveyor. From here, adjust the team permissions to Read Only, Edit, or No Access. The system will default to full access based on your team permissions choice, but you can provide exceptions for specific users. The third collaboration feature is the guest user, which is available on select plans. This allows users to invite customers, partners, or subcontractors that are often external to the organization without their need for a full license. Our plans allow for different numbers of sites per guest user, so if you go over, you will need to remove them from another site. To invite a guest user, click on the pencil icon next to Contacts at the site level. Click New and fill out the information for your contact. Guest users will receive an invitation email with a link to accept the access, so this is a great place to include a note for them. Next, select Invite as Guest. Choose a permissions level of either Edit or Read Only and set the expiration time period. Once finished, click Add. Here is an example of the invitation email that your contact will receive. Please note that they will only gain access to the sites that you invite them to, not all sites and surveys on your account. If your guest user does not receive the invite, please have them check their spam folder. Guest users can access sites they are invited to via the web or via the System Surveyor 2.0 tablet app. This is helpful if you need your guest to walk a site survey for you. Lastly, sharing reports is another form of collaboration. Please see our reports video for more information on reports. Thank you for learning more about collaborating with System Surveyor. Invite your ecosystem into visual design, collaboration, and lifecycle management. By doing so, you will get to share more of the digital assets, photos, attributes, and details needed to be successful.